Hi everybody, it's Ginny here from Webbers and welcome to Two Church Cottages. Situated in the heart of Dulverton, this beautiful home is coming to the market. So please follow me to find out more. The property is conveniently located with just a short distance to the town centre. It also offers very flexible accommodation with 3 bedrooms, sitting room, open plan kitchen diner, as well as a useful utility and downstairs WC. It has a beautiful garden where you can enjoy the beautiful sunshine and the church bells. So if you'd like to know more information, then please not hesitate to contact us, as we'd of course be delighted to hear from you.